Yeah, sure. You do realize there's a national lockdown? You do realize there's a national lockdown?
Yeah.
So what are you doing skipping on the street here like a little Nancy girl?
Just having fun, enjoying it.
Just having fun? Well, maybe you should put your mask on and get vaccinated. How about that?
I would love to get vaccinated, waiting my way to queue.
How do you feel about being shamed on live television?
Probably not that bad.
Not that bad? Well, how about I call these boys over here to come and rough you up? How's that? Okay, let's do it. You stay right there, mister. Excuse me, guys. I wonder if you can help me out. This guy over here is he shouldn't be outside in the lockdown. I know you got.
Why should you be outside in the lockdown?
Well, because there's a national lockdown and there's a guy skipping on the streets like a little Nancy girl with you know the. It's illegal, sir, and
It's not. How's it illegal?
because you should be vaccinated.
How should you be vaccinated?
Because it's illegal, sir.
Is it?
Yes, it is illegal.
Where does it say you can't skip outside?
The police.
The police.
You don't listen to the police? What's the matter with you people? You don't listen to the law? Why don't people take this virus seriously? Stop laughing at me! People are dying! These people, they're buffoons! Yes! I would rather get vaccinated, and you will be vaccinated, because Bill Gates will and you have no choice!
Hi, right, this is Barry the Boss here. Just wanted to make an apology about last night. What I did was actually was very drunk. I've had a lot to drink, and it was quite below the belt. What I did. I had actually drunk most of the drink what I got there, vodka, and I was in a drunken state. So, just to the supporters and the guys, the viewers. It was just one picture, a couple of things that shouldn't have been there, and it was just one of them situations. Been a lot of pressure lately. I've been under a lot of pressure, and hopefully things will work itself out. So, from Barry the Boss, I'll take care. I'll speak to you soon.
Fucking hell, mate. I was called walk to the fucking shop to go get cigarettes.
Spiky wheels for snow. We're good. Oh shit. Fuck. That's alright. God damn it. That was funny. Damn. Alright. Yeah, because I was like, it's alright. That's funny. That should be good for a highlight. Dead. I can see it back. Dead. Lol.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. Hello. Excuse me?
Yeah, you have to come off the sofa.
I talk to my...
Yeah, but can you do it off the sofa, please? You can't sit on the sofa.
What?
You have to get off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Off
Yeah, please, yeah.
of the chauffeur?
Yeah, it's alright, come on.
I talk to my parents.
No, not on these chairs. You can use the chairs that are downstairs because this is a shop unit. It's not our chairs.
What do you mean?
This isn't our chairs. You
This
can't
is
sit.
chair, yes.
No, it's a shop.
Yes.
It's a shop.
Chair for seat?
No, not for sitting.
Not
to sit.
Yes, I sit.
No sit.
Okay.
Downstairs, you can sit. Downstairs.
I sit here?
No. Here, no.
Okay.
Downstairs, you can sit down.
Hello. You see me okay?
Come on, mate.
I'm
I'll
sorry?
take you to the chairs downstairs, but here you can't sit here.
I sit here?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, okay.
Downstairs.
I sit here?
No, you can't sit any all of these chairs.
Not this.
sit.
This is not a chair. This is stool.
No.
I sit here. Thank you.
No.
Okay. How is father? His father? Yes, I speak.
You have to go downstairs.
I cannot.
No.
Go out. You cannot sit here.
Why?
It's not our shop unit.
I not speak.
Downstairs. You can sit down. Sit down. Downstairs. Here. No.
Sit here.
No. 1,
No.
2, 3, 4, 5. No.
Yeah.
One.
Downstairs.
Two.
All of this.
Follow
no.
me. Come this way.
Yes. I not sit here.
No. This.
Oh. Why I not sit here?
Display only.
Display shop.
Display only.
You have to pay.
You play a joke on me?
No, it's display only.
This is lampoon prank. I
Yeah,
think.
you can sit down downstairs.
Hello, mother. Thank you for sending over my pocket money, mother. Arnold Nicotina, you are a legend. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I not sit there. I think oh God. This is not good, guys. I'm being followed. Thank you. Yes, I sit. You arrest me? No? Oh, okay. I think I sit down again in the chair. I think I allowed to sit here. I'm not too sure. I sit here? Not here? What are these? What are these?
Can't sit on any of these chairs. None of them.
What are these? I sit here?
No.
Oh, my feet so tired. I walk all day. Oh dear. Hello, mother. It is good to see you. You look very well. Please remember to drain the
If you're
sore.
not shopping, you're going to have to go outside. We're in lockdown.
Bruh, yeah. I try real fucking hard, yeah. I try real fucking hard. I thought to myself, yeah, I've got 4 weeks to find a fucking new job, and then I realised we are sat here in the middle of fucking COVID. We're sat here in the middle of COVID in fucking January, mate. They told me I can wait 7 weeks. I can wait 7 weeks before I reapply it. Oh, what? That does it.
It's a two-way street. It's
Like I
not,
said, right? Can you listen, right? You will be refused to be served if you don't stop recording. It's as simple as that.
okay.
Please, right?
Fuck it. Shut, man. Fuck
No,
it.
you haven't stopped it.
I have stopped it.
Switch it off, please, yeah?
It's switched off,
You
man.
haven't. You brought your menu down.
Yeah, I
know.
have to do
Yeah,
that.
Listen, stop it, please.
Don't touch me, man.
I've not stopped. I said
I
stop
just
the
want to
video.
buy my things
Stop
and
the
leave the
video.
store.
Stop the video.
Okay. Why are you getting aggressive with me, man?
I'm not getting aggressive.
You
You're
are.
getting
Just
aggressive.
let me buy my
I was
shit
trying
and
to be
get the
nice.
fuck out of here.
Switch the video off, then you can buy it.
I have to record for my public safety, my friend, because people like you intimidate me,
How am I
okay?
intimidating you? I've tried to be nice to you. You raise your voice. You're
But
the
there
one that
was a man
started it.
like you
Okay,
last week.
Then I asked you to calm down and
He
speak
tried
to
to
me
break
while you
my
raise your
ankles.
voice. Listen, you're not
Let me buy my- can I buy my shit? Can I buy my shit?
Turn the video off.
It's off, man.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's still recording, isn't it?
Wait a minute. Let me put the fucking filter on here.
It's simple. Just if you push
Hang
your
on.
button.
Don't touch my shit,
I'm not
man.
touching it. I'm telling you what to do.
Don't touch my shit,
Then
man.
Just push that button down.
Put
switch
your
it off.
finger away from my shit.
Push that button and
Don't
switch it
touch.
off.
Why are you putting? You're being a
Do
very
it, mate.
aggressive.
Come on, please. Just push that button and switch it
Hold
off.
this, please.
Yeah. Come on, switch it off.
Don't touch. Stop. There's a line here. There's a line here. Don't crush
You know
it,
what?
man.
Just leave, please. Yeah?
Don't touch me.
Leave me.
Don't touch me.
Leave, please.
Why are you touching me? What's wrong with you?
No, leave.
I just wanted to buy some Prosecco. What the fuck is wrong with you? Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you people? You have major malfunction.
For the safety of the customers and access, I'll text
Yes, for my safety too.
Stop recording and we won't with you. Keep the mic, we won't with you. Try to speak enough in polite manner with him. You keep raising his voice. Right. Thank you, yeah?
No, not thank you. I want my Prosecco.
You're not buying any Prosecco. Okay?
But I want my Prosecco.
Stop recording the video.
No, it's for my safety.
Control.
For my safety.
Stop control. Have a gentleman here.
Why are you being aggressive? What's wrong with you, man? I have shown you no aggression. This guy touched me inappropriately. Who are you talking to? No, I want my Prosecco. I want my Prosecco, man. My Prosecco. You buy me Prosecco and I will give you money when you come out.
What me?
You go buy me Prosecco.
This where? Can you
Why can I not record? What's going on here? It's from my... Look at this. There's fucking cameras everywhere.
So what?
So what? Why can't I record if they're allowed to record? That is like oxymoronic.
Just go away, yeah.
Hey, keep walking, DJ Khaled. I'm not fucking talking to you, you lumpy piece of shit.
Putting it down. So it's going to be... Are you getting wet for content? Probably boring content as well. So I was with that fucking spam guys. Was it? Mr. Spam on IP2. Jesus. Seems alright, but it's another fucking low IQ streamer. Seems like. His chat was just pure fucking like a Chab festival. Never seen so many fucking degenerates. You know what I mean? It was all there.
I don't want you to be alarmed if you're holding any hot, tasty beverages, then please place them down, as you might spill it when you see what comes on the screen. So, okay, we're going to flip the camera in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, there we go. You see, you don't see much. The lighting is pretty bad. Okay, this is for IP2. It's a pleasure to work with you guys. I hope to get the paperwork in the mail and we'll get that signed. This is IP2, and this is Spam TV. Shaking hands. Let go, please. Please let go. Out. Okay, here we go. Celebration. Good times. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. Shit. That's not good. Fuck. Oh god. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh, it's all over the floor, man. Shit. Fuck. Hello?
Yeah, these girls have really
Who is this?
life, but you know what? They've come out
Who is this?
really beautiful people. I hope we can help them
What?
to look and feel
I cannot hear you.
pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Huh? 1 second, please. I will turn down the pornographic video. Hey, what are you doing, man? What the fuck? Can I help you?
You have to lower down your volume, mate, otherwise they're going to evict you from the hotel.
What do you mean,
Put your
man?
volume down.
What?
Put your volume down now, please.
What's wrong with my volume?
Because it's so loud. You are in the hotel.
Hang on, we're supposed to keep 6 feet. Why are you? Why you more?
I'm the reception manager here. Okay?
Yes.
Put your volume down, otherwise they're going to call the police. You need to leave the hotel.
Police?
Yes.
Police for what?
You were
What the
shouting in the hotel, mate. You're not supposed to shout.
Am I loud?
You are in the hotel. Yes. Everyone is complaining here.
Seriously?
Yeah, mate, don't be a funny guy. I know you're recording me now.
No, it's for my auntie. I make vlogs.
Slow down your volume.
Okay.
Otherwise, I need to call the police.
I'm very sorry, my friend.
Hey, can you just slow down volume the TV, please?
Oh, I'm very sorry, mate. I will do this. Can you not open my door when I am?
I can.
Maybe I would. I was
not
naked
open your door. I
and
would
jerking
not open
myself
your door.
off with some.
If you stop shouting.
Okay. Sure.
I guess I can. When's that to sit? Hi, how you doing? Hi, how you doing? Right, blah, 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 shit. So I'm gonna sit down like a fucking loner around here. If my lover wants to come and greet me, he's more than welcome to. We're gonna have a sit down, lager beers. Take this shit off. Oh my god, there's a little kid behind me. I've gotta be careful. Go for it, bitches. Go for it. No one wants to be my lover tonight. Am I in landscape or am I on portrait? What one am I on? A landscape or portrait? Thank you, Marius. Listen, I'm not about all this portrait drama stuff, so don't come at me. Shake them. No, can somebody tell me if I'm on landscape or if I'm on portrait, please? Because I've fucking done my best. Are you gay? Question back at you, right? I'm looking for a husband, actually. There's like a beautiful husband around here. I'm gonna fucking take him, I'll tell you that.
It's this network that it has a lot of streamers on it.
Hey, he said I blocked that guy. Why is he back?
Yeah, I block him all the time.
Oh wow!
He's got like 1 million.
Look, he said nice finger. Yeah, nice finger.
will.i.am. He's calling you. Which one's will.i.am?
Will I ain't.
will.i.am.
will.i.am.
Like it.
will.i.am and will I ain't.
You look like will.i.am. This one looks like will.i.am. You do actually look like him.
Wow, he said I'm gay now.
They just love saying the word. They love going around like gay everywhere. That's funny.
He must be gay. Orange queen.
Orange a queen in the house.
So you're the
Thank
orange
you.
queen?
I am. No, I'm the orange queen. Hello.
Brown and orange queen.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
So what is this again? Vodka.
This is.
Cranberry.
Oh, this one is. Hopefully she got it right.
So let me see you drink it like real fast.
Can I? No, I'm not drinking real fast.
Oh, Ashley likes you. She wants you to follow her on Instagram. Woo!
We got to hit the strip. Hey, we got to hit the strip. Are you coming?
Oh yeah, that's where we going.
Wait, those two are going. I'm not going to the strip club, right?
Why not? You were Hershey scoring on the bathroom.
No, you like me scoring in the classroom, innit?
We're gonna make something cool.
You like that shit.
I didn't
like that shit.
Man, I didn't see no
No,
Hershey.
you wanted me to fucking squat all over your face, bitch.
I do not like turds on my face. That is that's a negative on that one, Ghost Rider.
I know it's not a shit.
Yeah.
You want me to squat on you there a little bit?
Yeah. We saw you on the toilet.
Where's my fanny out?
Where's your funnel at? Your funnel's in the toilet.
No, my vagina. Where's my vagina out? Did you see my vagina, by the way?
No, I did not, and I don't want it because you're.
No, I did not.
Liar.
You're a liar like pacifier, dude. I had my leggings up and I
Hey, kitty cat. Hey, guess what?
Otherwise I would have been like, otherwise I never would have like talked to you if I was like doing weird.
Fuck you, wagon wheels! My dick! Fucking cereal!
No, people said that I sold my air rifle, still got it. Obviously, I'm getting more of these bastards. I love my guns. But, you know, if it's all the air rifles and that you're allowed, why not? Why don't get it, you know? Still shoots metal bullets. Don't shoot BBs. Just say if a kid went to a gun shop to get one of these guns, they won't get served for it. They get served for a BB gun, but not one of these. Bam, bam. See this gun here? It's got a orange tip on it at the end here. That's another sight. This here, it's another sight. That's also a sight. So basically, if this sight in on, then for me to aim my gun, I will have to aim my get my eyes straight connected with them two with that and that. This scope here, it can go further out and further in. Obviously, you can change the colour of the scope with that. That can come off. So it's basically two different colours. This is like a darker green, like an army greeny colour inside that. And with them on, and with just that now, it's just normal. It's just like a window. It's like you're looking out a window. I feel these on the gun better. Sort of the green better.